Hi there, Janet Fritz here for Galaxy Girl Creations. Welcome to my channel and welcome back to Kit Conspiracy. This is the leftovers of week 3 and it is Pretty Little Studios Good Vibrations collection. And I don't know, I don't feel like I have that much left over, but maybe I do. I don't know. Okay, let's start with the papers. So let me set that stuff aside. So I have 2 full sheets. I have this hexagon kind of flowery looking thing. And then it's single-sided, so nothing on the back. And then this one that looks kind of like a brick wall, and it's called You Got This. There's nothing on the back of that one either. And then I've got some partial sheets. I've got Happiness, which is a double-sided polka dot and stripe, rainbow stripe. And then this one is called Super Fresh, and it was a sunburst with some hearts on the opposite side. So that's, oh, and then I have this little piece of Happy Place, which is single-sided also. And that is all I have left of the papers. I lied. I have this little piece also of Good Stuff. I don't know if that even counts. It'll probably just go in my scraps. And then as far as embellishments go, for the cut apart flags, I have quite a few of these left. I think I didn't use as many as I thought I would because of the colors. The whole collection was super colorful, and I felt like adding even more color just didn't give your eye a place to rest. And so I used the black ones, and then I used a couple of neutrals. This one goes down here, so I'm not neutrals, a kind of a goldish yellow, and then the pink and an orange. I don't know, didn't use as many as I thought I would. I have 2 of these little pieces left. I think I cut all of the other ones up, and they're in here because there were some other little journaling spots, I believe. So cut apart tags, just those 2. This is actually part of the packaging. I didn't use a whole lot of these circles, just 2 of them, mostly because there were a lot of wordy things, and I didn't feel like I needed a lot of wordy things at that point. And then as far as embellishments go, oh, I guess I should lay the embellishments out a little bit. Sorry, guys. I'm going to leave that guy there. So I have this beautiful... Here's part of that cut apart sheet that had the tags. Several labels, which I think those were also on that same sheet. Some of these long labels, actually all of these longer ones that have the beveled edges, those were all part of the packaging as well. They came with this, so they were on this side. So quite a few of those, I did cut them out and use them. I also did use a bunch of the packaging where it had the actual squares that show all the papers, and I used that to make a grid style layout. This is another one of those cut apart tags. These are embellishments that came in the embellishment packaging. Another one of those tags. This is a tag from all of that's from the cut apart tags. So I have quite a bit left, but not a lot besides labels and tags. This actually is one of these guys too. So yeah, I feel like I used quite a bit of it. I do have some hearts here left over, but most of this is all labels and tags, which I'll just add those into my stash. I've got a few hearts here, and that's about it, you guys. I'll add these into my stash, and then I don't know if I'll be able to get another layout out of this or not, but we'll see. We'll see what it comes down to at the end of the month. We take the last few days of the month that do not make up an entire week. And if we have layouts that we were able to make extra, we will share them at that point. I don't know if I'll get to this or not. I know I've already got one for last week, and then we'll just see what happens. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget there is a kit share for week 4 coming out. I don't know if I'm releasing the kit share on Sunday, but I don't know if I'm doing the leftovers today on Saturday, or if I'm going to end up sharing it on Saturday or on Sunday, because I think I have another layout to share with you on Sunday for this, because I am using this kit for Stretch the Sketch, which actually is on Sunday after the week of using this kit. So yeah, so I might share this on Saturday, and you'll see the last layout that I did with it tomorrow. But these are the leftovers. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.